Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm fishing with my buddy here. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. I have no idea why I got up this early on a weekend. But we are out fishing. I have never fished this river before, but I heard there's a good number of bass and panfish here. So I'm gonna test out with a tiny spinner. Got one. It's a perch. I'm gonna keep this guy. It's so windy today. I think I might need to anchor down. Cold. Yeah, another perch. Yeah, another nice one. I'm gonna keep it. I think he's not really interested. Well, it's been pretty slow ever since that two perch, so I think I'm gonna explore this river a little bit more. I think there's a really thick weed bed down here. It'd be nice if I can find the edge of it. There might be some bass. Oh, it looks pretty nice here. I think I got one. Oh, nice bass. Oh, it's still running. Nice bass. Well, I think my wife really craves fish, so I'm gonna keep him as well. Bunny, you wanna look? Bunny. Now he's interested. Are you having fun? Oh, I actually seen pretty good signals here. I'm gonna give it a few more try. Got another one. Nice bass. Oh, there's a raccoon. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's actually my first time seeing a wild raccoon. Well, I guess they're all wild. I think Bunny smelled him. It's okay. He's gonna freak out. Let's get out of here. Okay, Bunny. He really doesn't like other animals. It's getting really sketchy. I'm actually gonna try here. Did he jump off? No, he jumped off. Okay, I think there's definitely some bass over there. Huh? Oh no, that's my favorite spinner. Yeah, I think I'll just go home. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click subscribe if you like this video. I'll be posting every Friday afternoon. I'll see you guys on the water.